Hello friends, in this session I am going to discuss present perfect tense. In this tense, we use has or have plus third form of the verb. Has is used with the third person, whereas with I, you and plural we use have. Quite simple. Usually in Hindi, जनरली चुका है, चुके हैं, चुकी है वाक्य के अंत में आता है. हैज़ का प्रयोग थर्ड पर्सन और आई और यू और प्लूरल के साथ हैव का प्रयोग होता है. थर्ड फॉर्म सभी में लगेगी. Let us see where this tense is actually used. In the first place, it is used to depict an action which has just taken place or just finished. The sun has risen. He has reached. You have come. अगर कोई कार्य अभी अभी संपन्न हुआ हो या ख़त्म हुआ हो तो वहाँ ये टेंस यूज़ होता है. जैसे कि सूरज चढ़ आया है, द सन हैज़ रिजन. वह आ गया है, ही हैज़ कम. तुम चले गए हो, यू हैव गॉन. नाउ द सेकंड यूज, टू डिनोट एन एक्शन इन द पास्ट the result of which is still present. For example, he has opened a shop. He has passed his matriculation. ये टेंस वहाँ भी यूज़ होता है जहाँ कोई कार्य पास्ट में किया गया हो लेकिन उसके रिजल्ट अभी भी विजिबल हों. जैसे कि उसने दुकान खोल ली है, he has opened a shop. उसने 10th पास कर ली है, he has passed the 10th. Now the third use. In adverbial clauses which start with the if, when, before, after, as soon as, or till. For example, I shall ring up after I have finished my work, or as soon as I have finished my work I shall come to you. तो adverbial clauses में जिनमें when, if, after, as soon as या till से जो शुरू होती हैं और जहाँ पे प्रिंसिपल वर्ब जो है वो फ्यूचर टेंस में हो, वहाँ भी ये टेंस यूज़ होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे ही मैं ये काम ख़त्म कर लूँगा मैं तुम्हारे पास आऊँगा. एज सुन एज आई हैव फिनिश्ड दिस वर्क आई शैल कम टू यू. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में हैज़ या हैव का प्रयोग होता है जो सेंटेंस के बिगनिंग में लगते हैं. In interrogative sentences in present perfect tense, has or have are used right in the beginning of the sentence. For example, has he worked? Have I worked? Have you worked? Have they worked? Which means that with singular third person, has is used, whereas with I, you and plural, have is used right in the beginning of the sentence, and the third form is also used. In negative sentences, hasn't or haven't is used with singular third person, hasn't, whereas with I, you and plurals, haven't is used. You haven't worked, I haven't worked, they haven't worked. But if the sentence is negative interrogative, then haven't is used right in the beginning or hasn't is used right in the beginning. The rest of the formation is same. Haven't or hasn't right in the beginning of the sentence plus third form of the word is used. For example, hasn't he come? Haven't they come? Haven't I gone? Etc. If time is given, then we will use since or for. For example, I haven't met him since morning. They haven't played cricket for 5 years. He hasn't gone home since Diwali. You haven't met your brother for a long period of time. So friends, for specific point in time we will use since, whereas for duration we will use for. That will be all for today. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Take care, have fun, good luck.